Okay, I've already typed the word vocabulary there. You see it in bright green. My students know that tells them that we're going to another one. It's a signal. There's my document inspector, my slide, my build, my text, my graphic, my metric, table, chart, hyperlink, and that's the QuickTime movie inspector. Spend a lot of time in the inspector. I keep it open. I'm going to go to the slide because that's what this is, and I'm going to make a transition. You can do a shimmer, a cube. I like the cube. Seems to work good with the kids too. Duration, right, left, top, bottom. You can do it on the click. You can do it automatically. You can put a little bit of delay in there if you want to. That's just all how you want to present it. I like to do things on the click when I'm making my presentation. So that's it. There's my next slide. I've already typed in the vocabulary words, prepared. There's a gunmetal gray, blue, and then red. And that just tells my kids which word is what. I'm doing a build here, so I'm going to go to the build inspector. I'm going to bring that word in on a click. And I like to use Comet. You can play around with it there and see what you like to use, what works for you, what works for the word that you're using. And I can change the color of my Comet. Again, I like blue, so I'm going to leave it there. I can change the time, how long it takes to bring it in. I can make it shorter, I can make it longer. I like to go around 2.5, depending on how long my slide is. Now, I clicked on another word or part of a word and hit my action and then move, and I just slid it up. That's my syllable going up to become a whole word again. I'm going to move it, click on that red triangle there, the solid red one. You see the other red one there with the plus sign in it. If I were to click on it, it would give me another straight line. I'm going to bring in my photo. You can go to audio, photo, you can go to your movies. I'm in iPhoto now. It's opened up my whole iPhoto application. I'm going to go down to my events, and I've got a group of pictures here that I was planning on using. And when I find the one I wanted for prepared, you'll see that it's a very large picture. I click on it. I see a little white square. I can click and drag that. That'll bring the picture in proportion. And I can use my inspector to see how it works. And then I hit play just to check it. You can see it come in. It moves up. And then it goes to bunny, which would be the next one. And that's not a problem there. We're on bunny. And we can go down this time. We're going to build in again. If you build out, it takes a picture, the word out afterwards, or the picture, either one. I'm going to do bouncy since this is a bunny. And it'll come bouncing in. Just we'll have a little fun with this too. You can do opacity, but that makes the word fade out. And I guess if the word was disappear, that'd be a great way to do it. But this is not the word. It's bunny. So I'm going to go to move. I'm going to click on that and move the bun up. And then I'm going to move the knee up. Change my timing. Now I'm going to go to bunny. I'm going to go to move. Now you see a straight line, which is there, and that's a curved line. I hit the little triangle with the plus sign in it. It gives me another straight line. Then I go back over here, curve. And what this will do, it'll make it look like the bunny is hopping. Go in there and change my time again. And again, you'll notice that all this happened over here in my inspector. And I click on it to make it move. I can click on the slide all I want and it's not going to make the inspector move. But if I click on the inspector, that's when things happen. I can see what I'm doing there. And there's my picture of the bunny. And like the last picture was too big, this one's just a little small, so I'm going to click and drag that out.